Hello everyone. Today, I'm explaining whether Fusion 360 is still free in 2025 and who qualifies. Fusion 360 is a powerful 3D modeling software used by engineers, students, and designers. So, is it free? Yes, but only for certain users. Here's how it breaks down. For personal use, Fusion 360 offers a free version for personal non-commercial use. To get it, go to the official Autodesk site, click Get Autodesk Fusion for personal use, and create an account. You'll get access to basic features as shown on the screen, which is perfect for hobbyists, makers, or students learning at home. Another option would be for students and educators. If you're in school, Fusion 360 is 100% free with the education license. You'll just need to register using your school email or verification document. For student, which is single users, refer to Autodesk Fusion for Education. This version includes nearly all Pro Tools, which is great for learning. And lastly, for commercial use. If you're using Fusion 360 for business, it's not free. The commercial version is subscription-based with monthly and yearly options. However, they do offer a free trial so you can test it before committing. Also, the features are shown on the screen. Therefore, Fusion 360 in 2025 is still free, but only if you're a student, educator, hobbyist, or using it non-commercially. For businesses, there's a cost, but the features are worth it if 3D design is part of your work.